Hey everyone, it's Z Cashflow, aka Zaire Almond, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. In this video today, I'm going to do a quick review of the platform called VidIQ, and this is an awesome software or tool that you can use to grow your YouTube channel or your TikTok, but in this example, I'm going to show you how to apply it with with YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's the dashboard of the platform, and this is the channel stats of my YouTube channel. This is just an example, and you can see it has all of the channel stats. So if you have a channel, you can connect your channel to this platform, and it will keep track of all of your analytics, which is really useful. So let's just scroll, and I'm gonna go to my settings, my account settings, and this is where you can connect your information. So you can come here to competitors and you can add your channel. So you can see I added my channel, but if you're completely new, then you would just click this and you would search for your YouTube channel, and you would want to make sure that you use the exact handle of your YouTube channel, and you would just search for it here. And that is how you would connect your channel. Once you connect your channel, you'll see a lot of different information here. So you can see it has all of my top videos. It gives you search terms that you've used on your channel. But what's nice about this is that it gives you keywords to use. So if you're struggling with finding keywords for your titles or your descriptions, it kind of gives you a list of keywords that you can use or recommendations. There's a tracker here to monetize or to see how many subscribers you need to monetize. So it keeps track of all that information for you as well. So yeah, now I'm going to show you my YouTube page and show you how this tool works when creating a video. So if you don't already have the extension, I'll leave a link in the description to download it, but this is what you'll want to install before being able to access these features when creating like a new video. So make sure to download this and install this. Okay, so I have my YouTube channel pulled up, and I just pulled up one of my videos that I did, and you can see some of the features have populated because I have the extension installed. So be sure to install that first, and then you'll see a little blue icon up here. So you'll want to just pin that to your extensions, and you'll see that icon populate, and it's going to give you all these features here. So yeah, so this is it gives you title recommendations. So here's one of the features. So if you're struggling with creating a title, or if you don't know what to name the video, it gives you AI title recommendations. So if we click this, you can see that it gives us a whole bunch of different recommendations, which is really awesome because I know how hard it might be, especially if you're a beginner, to come up with a catchy title. You may not know how to do that, so this tool just automatically solves that problem for you. So yeah. Now obviously if you have the free version, you'll get a certain amount of credits every 7 days to use these features, but you could also upgrade, if you wanted to. And I'm sorry, you get new credits every month. You get credits every month, so you could obviously upgrade if you want to take advantage of this. All right, so I scrolled down a little bit, and you can also see they have one for the description. So if I wanted to come up with a catchy description to use for my video that included a lot of keywords in it, I could come here and I could just simply put in some keywords that I want to rank. So let's say that our video was about a product that we were promoting. Let's say it was digital marketing, right? And it's going to give us a whole bunch of keywords that we can use in our description that talks about what we put in there, right? So this is a very, very descriptive or very catchy description with a whole bunch of keywords in it. And this will really help your video rank higher in the search engine, in the YouTube search engine, and the Google search engine. So here are a couple, and you can see there are 2 credits remaining. So again, if you wanted to upgrade, you're more than welcome to upgrade, and you can get access to the full features. So yeah, but the free version comes with a certain amount of credits, and then you can upgrade if you wanted to. I'm going to scroll down, and you can even create, looks like you can even create a thumbnail. Okay. So that's cool. Okay, so the next section I want to show you is the tags. So if you're struggling with what tags to use, it generates tags for you. So it gives you a list of recommended tags, but you can also type in some tags and it'll automatically populate those for you. And it's going to rank those in the search engine, so you can see how high the ranking is in the search engine, which is really handy. So if I start typing in keywords, let's say I wanted to put in ClickBank. Maybe this video was about ClickBank, so I might do ClickBank affiliate marketing. I might add this one. All right, so when you start typing in keywords, it's automatically going to show up here. So ClickBank, as you can see, it starts populating and it ranks it as well. So it gives you a ranking score or an overall score, and the lower the score, the less it's going to get ranked in the search engine. The higher the score, the more likely it's going to get searched in the search engine. So that is what that's for. That's what those numbers mean. If you're wondering what do those little numbers mean, that just simply is the ranking score for the keyword. You can also come over here and you can put in the keyword that you want to rank for. So if we wanted this video to rank for a specific keyword, then we could put that here. So let's say it was this digital marketing. And if somebody goes to search, so you can see if somebody were to search this keyword, our video would come up. Okay. So this is really awesome, this tool. We could even try ClickBank specifically, right? Since the video is specifically talking about ClickBank, we would type in ClickBank review or ClickBank affiliate marketing or digital marketing, and you can see that our video comes up. because it has that keyword in it. So that's the keyword we could use to rank for if we wanted to, which is amazing. So maybe we wanted to change up the description of this video to make it rank higher in the search engine, because as you can see, if I scroll down over here, my score is kind of low, right? My score is only 17, but the highest score that you can get is 50, right? So if I wanted this video to rank higher, I could come back over here and I can play around with the description. I can choose a new description, right, with this AI description generator. And this is going to allow my video to rank higher in the search engine, right? So you can do the same thing on your channel, right? So let's say we want to use this description, right? This description has more keywords in it. It's just a little bit more catchier than what we have. So maybe we'll try that, right? Let's see. So we can insert that. You can either copy it or you can insert it straight into there. And as you can see, it just populates right into the description, which is nice. We can even leave the old description that we had in there, but you could see it just populates right in there for you. And then you can come down here to the tags and you can play around with that. And as you can see, my score just went up automatically just from doing that one little change. My score went up to 20. So we can go down to the tags and do the same thing. You can play around with some of the tags and maybe make them a little bit more, a little bit more better, right? Let's see. So we can play around here with these. You can add these, and as you can see, that boosted my score a little bit. Okay, so you literally can watch the score go up on your channel, and your chances of the video getting searched are more higher. The closer it is to 50, the more chances of your video getting higher or getting viewed in the search engine. So there's obviously no guarantees here or anything, but your chances are more likely than not. The last feature I want to go over is the schedule time. So we obviously don't know exactly, we never know exactly the best time to post, right? But there is a feature that allows you to pick a scheduled time to post. Again, we never will really know what a good time is to publish, but you can upgrade to get access to this feature, and you'll have access to it. It's obviously not free with this version, but if you upgrade, you get access to that feature as well. I'll go ahead and show you the pricing. And again, I'll go ahead and leave a link to this in the description so you can check this out for yourself and see if this is something you want to use. So again, if you're new, you can get started for free. And then they have a pro version, a boost version, and a max version, which comes with coaching. They recommend you the boost version. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this in the description so you can decide if this is a good platform for you to use. Well, folks, you've made it to the end, and I hope this video helped you get a broad sense of how to use VidIQ to help grow your YouTube channel. So again, if you're interested in starting a business, or maybe you want to start a YouTube channel and you want to learn some high income skills and you want to start learning how to make passive income, maybe you're tired of having one source of income and you're looking for that second source of income, well, go ahead and leave me a comment saying more info, and I'll be sure to get back with you with the little information. And